St. Paul's Higher Secondary School, Nongpoh, today celebrated Children's Day at the school campus to commemorate the birth anniversary of the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The program was also attended by Marylebone AIM, the MLA of Nongpoh, as the chief guest in the presence of CB's AIM ex-CEMKH ADC and Sister Angelina Marak, Principal, among others. Speaking on the occasion, Marylebone's AIM said that the Children's Day is all about respecting and honouring children who are considered to be the future leaders of the nation, where young people are needed for the welfare and development of the nation. AIM also handed over a cheque of Rs 1.50 lakh to the school authority for buying computers. The Nongmansong Darbar Secondary School also celebrated Children's Day as well as the Silver Jubilee celebration of the school. Different cultural programs were also presented.